Hi, my name is Kelly Williams. I'm the service manager here at Mullinax Port of Central Florida. I am proud to introduce to you all a brand new world-class state-of-the-art facility. Our new physical layout allows for great interactions with our customers and 5-star service for every customer that comes in. Our world-class 56-bay service facility alleviates wait times, allowing us to bring customer cars in at once and getting you back on the road as soon as possible.
When customers come in here for service, they are so surprised at how nice it is. If you're going to wait on your car, our customer lounge is state-of-the-art. We've got TVs on pretty much every wall. We've got a top-of-the-line coffee machine if you like to drink coffee. With the TVs on every wall, come in for service on a Saturday or something, we got college football on, let's go. I see every customer is super happy with what we got here. When customers bring their cars in here for service, our service advisors try to keep them in the loop every step of the way of what's going on with their car. Every customer that I've been talking to has been very, very happy with it. We like to text, we like to email, phone call preferred if we do that. Either way, whatever customer prefers is the best way of communication, and we see every customer has been very happy with our communication skills. So what sets Mullinax Ford apart from all the other dealers? We're bigger and we're better. We've got 56 bays, we got more technicians, we got more service advisors to serve you. We should be able to get your car in quicker, faster, and fixed right.